Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, according to your time. May God bless you in the name of our Lord Jesus. May God bless you in this end of December 2021. We all know that today is the last day of year 2021, and we are going into the year 2022, which I call the year of congratulation. And we don't want to take our whole self to year of 2022. We want to build on ourselves, and that's why I said we should do a reset. Doing a reset for a better life, building a better life for ourselves, building a better life for ourselves. We don't want to take our hold ourselves to the new one. From this year, in this year, January to December, we all have faced one or two challenges, trauma, and we don't want to waste the same time in year 2022. That is the reason why I say we should do reset for a better life. We live a good life in year 2022, 2021, but we can live a better life in year 2022. That is why I call it year of congratulations. Let me read the book of Hebrews chapter 12 verse 1. Hebrew 12 verse 1. Masikala yamrayanando suale yakataya. Makutayande, living a better life. Doing a reset to live a better life. Doing a reset to live a better life. Hebrews suaya lekutaya. Hebrews chapter 12. Masikale manandos. 1. Zikatayande, New Living Translation Bible. And I read, Zukushakala Malandos Likatayale Elia. Therefore, since we are surrendered by such a huge crowd of witnesses to the life of faith, let us strip off every weight that slows us down, especially the sin that so easily trips up, and let us run with endurance the race God has set before us. Buzalia, did you hear that? Lekutayane yamayana tsuayaka mahushi katayane malakata. Number one thing we should apply, sin that hold us back. We should get rid of any sin that is holding us back. The sin that hold you back in year 2021, in this year, don't take it to year 2022. All your sin, especially the one particular that is actually making you to grow ganga, you have to drop that sin in this year 2021 before you step your foot in year 2022. Because year 2022 is a year of congratulations. It has said that they use crown of witnesses to the life of faith. Let us strip off every weight that slows us down. Anything that is slowing you down, that slow you down from January to December this year of 2021, drop it right now in this year 2021. All the things you know, all those lies, small lies, small gossip, small anger, any small thing you get angry, drop it now before you enter year of 2022, year of congratulations, so that everything can be smooth, so that you can live a better life. What did I say? Resetting, doing a reset to live a better life. Which we are living a good life now, but there's a better life. Don't you want to live a better life? Don't you want to live a better life? May the Lord strengthen us. May the Lord strengthen us. In the name of our Lord Jesus, Malika, to do away with our old self and to put on our new self before we enter year 2022. In the name of our Lord Jesus, because God have a good plan for you in year 2022. Masani Yale, the Lord Abba Father asked me to tell you that He has a good plan for you in year 2022. Malibra Yakataya Yarea Hoshiba Yanale, Lipashkalaya, Lipashkalaba, Roboporo Yakatariba, doing all a reset for a better life. Masukalaya, a reset for a better life in the year Buddha Yamana that we are going to enter Rakatayane tonight. Rabarakoti Rebayana Kuteribane, Raboshikata. Limayana Ekotayaba Rashangada. Number 2, let me mention. Number 2, eliminate the activity that wastes our energy. Eliminate activity that wastes your energy. You have been using your time